Kabero makemero gin memero large pasiti karme loko gulu municipality Medogo City gidigi gore karman nga wage wak lokom don lo mapole keneti odiere gud kidon gai kwan mareje mapigi tego pikabero duju matilo bo Uganda wajeki man kijemo ken mapol peyinti ni yup melo gange mochwin ento mabino eni ayewie madiro.
At
least the one thing for now we can all agree on is the soap to use. He likes that it's big and lasts long.
Anti-economy.
I like that it keeps my skin smooth. Ate Alina Echovu. And the children like that. It smells amazing. Everyone is happy. Movit soap comes in 4 fantastic flavors. Movit family soap is truly soap for the whole family.
Movit. All day confidence.
Dano makiberi kaberi makimera mera wego pong tengulu city Medogo City gideko ni mono dondo bute wegi wagi don wogo yup moinken matemani yakibot Gulu City Council.
My one concern is we have talked about that you don't still have a clear detailed plan for the annexed areas.
Kadong langol kop me kot pa chief ma district mati Martin die Kampala odiro chwalo Brian Chirumira ma uyek nying ni mono Brian White e buch man pitotune Luzira malupe kibie kemetiero dana yome jok kedong nek mokene ma otime e karmo o nyim kot tinichi adek. Amori ajuli bene kaneno yup melo gange mo chwin ania Sunday akumu man wanlu television tini chichi adek nenda para bungwen medima para chele emwaga alibario piare via beach. Luak me Gulu City makibir kabir makimere gia mera Medogo iteng City kar med loko Gulu Medogo City gidigi kogo matek pepera me kabir mayam kiyabo gen choni ne dolo mapolo wego gen wako pieni mon jima pol begiti kareta karmani yo watini ngeno mi kogo pe jemu chale we guri machiling tuj mati teng yo otiat gai kwan kijamo ken medolo mapiki teko pe dano magiti kin pajo ngeno melo tela me City kokati wako kama lenga go yu pikabir magi kibene ni kichwalo kony kun pidolo ma obolwak mekin gang wekibet marom kidana magati di City Gulu kile area me bade kile division mono de choni kit madolo wor ko kabero di me bet marom wek dana wengo bet kar marom mek guma pol metiyo jema kale michingen kibene ngo fonye kende mo kenti etijotkom mapigi tego iko padano ikit menino duju onen kong Lokman Matut kibot David Magere man yup melorange maujin.
Luak magiberi Gulu City totwali kaberu mayam chon gi kwanyo ki Gulu district gi Merikum City magiluoni annex area sikono kiti ka kok matek pepero me kaberu meno maurem ki don lo matek totwal mamete ni aloga moti me ye inoni luak mani kar matika nywa tami kum kit lok me don lo mugmati Gulu City kilo tele me Gulu City kono gu kok ni meno pero tima dit totwali kaberu mati annex mai kinge che kaberu machalo Pagea kaberu machalo Nyama kaberu machalo Coach ungaro ki kabir mukenne mauru Gulu City mayamu no divu districts mapapat maguru Gulu City ni ikinje magen ge kora ye per me yonyo community access road matimara chutwal per me majnyo street lights mano yung kabir giti machol tutwal makelo per mapapat per me odiat nyo per me no kon me yad nyo rom pa el center matima ping per me yugi kinje mukenne mapolata mamete negi lock Reverend Patrick Lumumba makono tie la tedero me Gulu City kono iba degla yibi kono kok pinywer matie katime malope kabero man madon loboremi ema tek tutwali.
My one concern is we have talked about that you don't still have a clear detailed plan for the annexed areas to Gulu City. My humble request is that you need to work on this plan. In the annexed areas, there is some confusion. The areas that are annexed from the district, when you ask the district, they will say that belongs to Gulu City. When you ask section of people from Gulu City, they will say that belongs to the district. So there is that state of confusion. And my humble request that these detailed plans need to come out quickly, otherwise
ino la te dera chiel kono beno o kok ni ikom pero me yo ki dong pero me mach matie ka dio dano.
My concern is about the annex areas. We have heard that a lot of things, achievement has been made within the city center. Now, when you look around in the areas of annex, there's apparently nothing done in those areas. Yet we are contributing, we are collecting revenues, and we are doing everything that the government needs. What plan do you have for the access road and those roads within the annex areas?
En beno kok ikom pero me mach matie murem no kabir mapola ta majoto ye ma wega lo timaranyi kero kwa padano kama right tutwal.
Secondly, it's about the street light. When you walk from here to maybe to Yama Center, to La Cho, you find that the street light just stops somewhere and not reaching there. But I find that these are key areas where maybe the street light should be extended from here up to Nyama, from here up to La Cho, along those roads. And those other centers that's nearby the city center.
Igam lok meno kono mega ka lo lodge me Gulu City Christopher Mara mati engineer ma do lok me geru nyo gudi kono waje ni getie ka tote menene oloto ikela loga ma lope ke don lo men dok piti je mukene me jwai wa pero men to toile pere comme yo.
We have also in the last 4 years in the implementation of BoostMeet, we have employed over 1,000 community members. They have earned gainful employment and experience in the road construction sector. This goes without saying the challenges that we still face as a city and as a department. One of the biggest challenges is that our network is not yet coherent, is not yet complete. So those of you who live in Pamilano area, you know that much as the road has been built, maintained properly up to light rail, you are not able to cross onto the other side. So the network is not yet fully connected as we would wish it to be.
En beno yaro dit pati jima lo pege yo magitika tijie Gulu City kum kare man. Lorange wan luo TV David Magere I Gulu City.
Abili dulmalo ye kidong office batelo wa Uganda guchi orochu kilo bol kui me weko wakolong mati kichente kit mo ilo bol kui kidong wilo kui ikar me bitu kui kidong ye matika bini mwaka manyene wekache kui bino ke bol kui kia dak ye lo tela makwir me garama konyo dano kage chwalo gen ni kabeno apartment eleman nga bachera at moko chek me lo Uganda kidong kabeno makeni gamente mate dero me lobo man lok mano katikare madul me gomi yofonye kilungi ni Fidelis Leadership Institute gomi yofonye Mwa Kampala go team of Onyeman Hotel Makloni Monovalen Matiba Deke Laibi Division Man ni Gulu West Ti Gulu City Chia Dek ma anokar enim Lanen Kong report man kibo Dennis Ojich report matut ikom chiro matek ikom weko lokom wilu bolkui kidong bene wilu kuya wila ikuime mwaka alibario piare uya bicheleni
Lutela maloyo kiet megwako bedo ka chel kilo tich magien giloyo lok me bolo kui kiye ilo me Uganda magetie Igulu City ki Igulu District gutero chiko luchu mapat ka chel kilo bol kui me weko tim me wilu kui me kwalo kui akwala wero gen giyer lutela magoro makit kipetia ti lok mano kati kare me punye me nuchu neno achel mauti meki hotel makelwon Tony Valen Manonge ikabero me ba dege la yibi matie ikoporocheng megulu city ichen adek kikome la konko diji madie Gulu City ilaro peje Peter Banya Ologo Kidman
wi ti charu ko wendi be ngar may ken mo do ni bawdi mo ci antin ni ra ceri kilo yaw ci gira pe yi kay youtube giron ka kinoy bal ci gira pe yi en do ngar mo no ko tim ki moy ken ma meta wex tim ngo be lo kuy men en ti ya dam pa dano mo ko teru kar ma laaj be la ka dam pa dano en mi a ko ti aspect mi chelle madam we ngene chelle yabu ngo yo moy ken da pol kuy men en be non ki mo men don dina ma do tibi dano ci pe yi e ba dam wi dano do mo ni in ma fu ya mi kuy na mi ko nyota be ni keru ni mo ni tie no na ba che namba bio ngar mo de matika chuma no ni en mi kare no ni ngo ma mi ra ate mi kare kare ken do lo de po tiu yo mo ni ka mo ni mi pi amara yo mo ni ka mo ni ko na mi ko nyupu wi gi ma na ko ngar man ka titi yo mo ken mi do so wan mo mi ne ni dano kui erini ki pol ki kuj be do ko tumba be ko pokin dano ma jali ya choni kanyo wani ni kay nen ngar mo tika titi le ma raj le mi pia le mi je kare on do karo kumbe ti do wana ci ko ko ye yela ko tela mo ni magi biro do ni anda yer ma ter yer min dano we nyo giro be waro wa mon be waro wa dano jone on pe ki yegi mero jo ma pe ko nyu gang gitika wo me mitima accountability
Patrick Kidega nywa maloyo Kit Matich igang kal madit pabiri matie gulodis eno chero luchu ducho itepat mapat kilo bol kui nimano mirgen ku wek tik ki chente waro dore ki wek lokman me kwa lokui ya kwala waro wek gen gu ye lutela makwiri mabikonyo gi ya nyim.
It's supposed to keep and then it's already breaking that. Hello. So these are some of the things the family will need to talk about while addressing us later on, but I think it should be collective responsibility for all of us. But we also aware that most candidates go through EC to win elections, especially these final elections, like the one we are having, the general election. Why? Because we aware that they compromise returning officers. You see, to declare things that are totally different from what the electorates have submitted.
Patrick Kidega nywa maloyo Kit Matich igang kal madit pabiri matie gulodis eno chero luchu ducho itepat mapat kilo bol kui nimano mirgen ku wek tik ki chente waro dore ki wek lokman me kwa lokui ya kwala waro wek gen gu ye lutela makwiri mabikonyo gi ya nyim
jomo ken tie ma imetre ki gwilga wila mi bolu ni pelu ko ki chek ni Uganda ngere kui la bol amin la chuo mo ke kan mir po win ku ya wila gore ini win ken na en wajo atake no ni rwatre ki mir ni yo ngata in town mir ye si ya
Dennis Ojwe Wanduo TV Igulu City.
Iyung chelo tadera makeberi ya luoro cheng Parish kabera mati Buje sub-county ya Pat district igipa yom imelo telago loka luoro cheng yaki Parish do loka dok sub-county manyen weko keltit chok bod dano maikin gang. Onen report ni kibot Jasper Igwel.
Alwar cheng Parish tamati gomala mai Buje ya Pat district dok bero Parish achela mati ke wang tijera ma parangwen tadera mati kuna hetio metni man area man Hotel Mapa district mi dok gomola pireng weko tadero ameti kuna tebere ke kara menungu jam kana chok pien ikom karaman utadera ameti kuna ya dong dio dong ka yichula mana chala dogi me abwal pi bere ke kara me mai ko your central government na mai nu ko nya tadera tek i wonu ko nya me yae bod gomola mai buye i be yo man me yae economy be alwor chen te kubu tadera na ha kilani pari karona hatora ameti yu yam district kunu tadero tiuke nu yo man me wonu ko nya me yae gomola mai buye kere buye el center dek
baida kikani kwanjo malurche kutichula jani wano wanti alerle kana wanti yechani wano ngolo yoy kanto wona ngeboye eti chabani pitia mo ponko keto wando yato wot kede kwene kuchara to petie obako do wakara lati mi opoke wa gombola ko dai chabani na sel wanti yesel cha lacha medanga konyel pe
ngume pogombola ko bien yo no ngolo wako
chabani
ka ya mi to wori gombola wa me buye urwen chente wote buye ki ken urwen chente aromo 20 beach bien miro mag boda ko mi wando ka mi word mi be ya paj
up country kieti yo do ha polo manu gina chala me mi yo ro bi up country ke mi yo lo ya be da yo ka yo tian nok ka ben mi yo lo bi da yo
ko hote der magi ama kwa ho ko kom pe ho me yo ama we ho kirme nu ko ni bod to tala gi me gomola dia mo do hatek meddo ke ko menu ko me yo ko ni ya bod e buye el tanda de kom karaman we hote der me kuna dia ma ko ni manu jama me o berke karame chwalo pe dong te tunu bod te dero me alwor king paris tante dong me kon ber won kama bij me apaj da kom karaman dia mi do hay komere chala won kama bij me apaj me de ke susan a chola ngola me dong kono tiamito bere me parliament na da ha me apaj district logi kono ci chokki kero te der me kuna kar me kwa yu kwir ga me itia war nyimi kom karman gen kono tiro neno gi kom alwor king paris
alwor king la choro kan bol pdm kan moya le ti onyogi inam moya pelare ino jo mora yo kene no chamo ero pelare so ka popo alwor king ario no por jo chamo ko wata chon te wiene mo
ya yo mi alwor king kana da ko gombola yen ngalo pi wona hatungche gombola tungcha bo ya lwor chen kana keto charan gina par dia nyirawa ba lwor chen ame yini wori ponyere anada chulo ngata punyi ka yini ponyere pi mo achiel itedo ya kiringishi diwi onywele no romo konyeme wili charan ame do ya yap jo ma ponyo jo kere ko pesa lun kane anatia ko bi jo amaro twalogi u ponyere gare dati mongo ati mongo juara wo ponyo driving dan mo mono nuda ya bo center pien para wo ore chukula ngatoro
san achola me koni kom karman ti do ngatele pitiel mario mer bimbedo me parliament da ha me apa district kuni yera mo karo kuirere kono bino remo ko te weke peber ke kare me billo bedo me parliament da ha me apa district en koni nenu mere o tiro ngo me kadong o berger kare me yera ma binuni e bino berger kare me otimu piluak me apa
do anatia ko bonia na ha history ma apa district jahere wano neno ambulance bocho members of parliament obero join akeli wa ambulance akora bino kelo ambulance ucharo kelo ambulance municipality ukelo lebo kelo ambulance maruzi north eto wani ya pacha loro kai joko wiche iwanga gi monne na mocha hotela pai bebe members of parliament kai ni odok yen taka na wa ka keru gi wa moy betigi wa jog lushi gi wa a betting all again tida hamar kele wa ambulance wan to mira una ambulance gina machele mara utimo ka do adu me do ko pod boru ka ne adu ke ambulance anyini chia bien wan mon kane mu go wa amemiru wori da hatal be otwaro be di gali be da otwaro be di pihipi miro be di yota hamon ala be lo ana won metti kwa nyoto don jo apate parliament me Uganda pienka o ni be representative jo parliament ite wo na o lengbali wo pie muolo achola ba mi o melo pe wo pie muolo wo lo
apa district committee ke saya ramadek kineti yere marujinok apaj municipality ke Mariji County Peter Obonga Chudang ameti do nyite pate me UPC gidokya me bera me parliament pi Mariji County ameti gwaye gomola me buyen akohoro gomola ya paj gomola buye kere buye town council medo apoy kere ko town council obong kono iloker dangi karme kwa kirman gen kono tiro neno gi chalo tara me kum karman ikom gwakolonyo metelobo ameti Mariji
agenda wa time gwakolonya jome maruzi we bed ma jome maruzi jome chiranga jome obalia jome tukulorje secondary school or mutimalo riko chauni obonyo memorial wanu tikere lonyo metelobo amevayo mereka pora wilo tina madekeken jona me nebino gamen nono ugamo be ogini kwene wanga yeso yiga karo meda kare pometo won jo kone na bedo won no ubonge no pogo maruzi chocha sigine jana lemono na enamomi o maruzu biro ruidi kwene karwano pogo maruzi ni
P1 Low Television, Jaspegwell, Iapaj District.
Elorang'e makati kodiere melobo Uganda lang'ol kop me kot pa chief magistrate mati machi indie man Sara Basemera itiande kochwalo woko Brian Chirumira man mati uyuakinini Brian White meberi buch pitotuno iluzira. Brian White mwakapia deko ya boti gemi kor mapoli kinetie kor mitiero dana time jok ikor muken mapol maramu gena biro dok en o nyim kot tini chiadek malupe kiloko mto palatin dara mamagane piru beach man Caroline Nalubwama. Wanin kong report man matut kombete yup Melorang'e maochwin. Tabira chil mo karang'ech Nava Nakato bene kimoro ko wiye ka kitwala ene riman iluzira pilo gacheli manto padang mamagane piru beach nie Caroline Nalubwama. Nava kitwala riman ka achel gen ki Daisy Nalunga mabene dako pa en Brian White Daffin Abaho matie lami boten tam kun kidong Joyce Irene nambalirwa matie ngat maloyo dul makiluni mon muchala nama birizi nursing home. Brian White chikem gikoro metiardana yome jok maperwate ki section ario bure machil kidong section adek bure me bane kimukene machil me Prevention and Prohibition of Human Sacrifice Act. Kormo kana tiene en beno neronder mapoyo pepera ka bene tim mogome mber bangat mano pe gwoke kadong bene kelo to kibero kita makluni mon marijuana nyojai maperwati ki section mapol man 100 abor kidong 100 ki 200 ka pau ya chel kidong ma ngwen ne man me bure me achel kario me Penal Code Act kidong Narcotic and Psychotics Substance Act kore ke kore. Lopiro pakamente waini mono Brian White in the piru ario me jumia pai mwagaman ki chamula zone mati machi in the division ni Kampala district onero Nalubwama ma kune pitian man lok mapeke nyanka wanu beru time jok kidong time tiadan bord jok ijemo kene manotoro penchek melobo Uganda. Gen bene waini kininde piru ario kininde piru abier me jumia pai mwagani eni ki odia chirudu mati machi in the division ni Kampala gen go kelo to Nalubwama kun kiwao enawa. Biek benetieni Brian White Nakato Nalunga kidong Abaho gung'e mabeto ke miyo report nyoko miyo gopa bot lakwed pa Billy Bruce tumwebaze kidong lakwed mokene man Betty Monica Chakuwaire kimal me Uganda Hospital ikatwe police station kidong Kampala Metropolitan South man weng obero gopa magen gumiyo bota Billy. Report nyone mono kum Nalubwama ke wao ni kono kakichwala ende oya chirudu ni obero kono lok mapiti ati ento kon ke waen kakichwala en otiat makluni mabirizi nursing home man gewaini woro lok mapiti ati maponi ya Billy. Kitong chel nambalerwa ko otiko menyo kilo to Nalubwama pieni poti mgeno miyo no time kachwala eno oriat mokene madite onyoneno kitme miyo kon mokene ati pienano pero miyone omiyo no ochwal Nalubwama kichwalen i oriat mokene makit kikero metimo gin makitman onyomiyo boten ni kony mayot kom. Pelorang'e mochwin e Walu television ania Sunday yakumo.
Fine. It's inside. It's already inside. Yes. But there is need for one person.
Ke pade yup makiloni mono karajelo New Together project madulme adra Uganda ojaga bebulu moncho kedonyi remme dulu kiker palukin gang me lokamlo ni kom.com kijemo ken malupe kitim germe ot tikanya kunyege mabe kindano magiti pade district kedon kabere mokene yume mwara bicheliti kakarne titi project mani district make it kum la mo pade kido gago tikana ke gwara matakiyot kom pabulu cho kidong mon mejo kollo kom tim ger kin pa jo ile malok meleo kompa bulu kedong mon iyo moken mapola tame gwako yot kompa lwak magiti kingang Dr. Magiti ata Health Center thiru wani mono yubman tika konya bulu maloko ko gini woki no kama yor kumla bon luor ma iken tiye pi mikronji moken mapola ma joko yelchon kidong nyom chon ikin bulu magiti en district angwen kama yubman trikariye tichim wanen aduki yubman kibod Johnny Sani uchaga chon en olimo otiat ata Health Center 3.
Bulu mapol food mera konya ka odago ilok me yot kom mano wero dul makiloni adra go chako program makiloni together project me konyo bulu nenane yoro kom gi umiero ben ma opore ka chel kilwak mukene chawai lukin gang kon yubman ti odjat matino tino maromo apawi angweno lu itung kunyao meloba juli David Nokraj Dr. Maloyo ata Health Center 3 ipade district wajani yub together project ti ka konyo matek bulu mabine odjat kanungo kony ilok mayot kom
in the provision of the sexual adolescent and reproductive health issues. We have a well-established youth-friendly corner, which has been supported by ADRA, together project with the Malmö as well. So that center, we have been in provision of services to these youth. And as they come, we have a established wing room, though not all that very adequate, but at least can support in giving out these services. There is a television set which is there, and always they come to watch the television. We just put to keep them during service hours. They will come and be watching a television, and as they watch a television, that is the time when they get the exposure to any other health-related issues which is affecting the youth. And it has been working well.
Petra ilupe nurse Matiyuki odjat meno bene utero ni project man oyabu wangen lu daktari ikit mo miero giti kibulu ka chel kilwak matete der tutwale ilokom ikit me joko kugu me od ka chel kituo mukeneni neno ni gilwenyo ikum tuo mabino chalwai aduki me buru ikin la cho kidago.
At least we're able to screen the clients and even cancel them, refer them to the respective places. When you look at the way now, the number of cases we have, from the time when we were not trained, at least we are seeing there is a great change. Because in a month, the other time before they trained us, we could get about 20 cases, 30 cases like that, which are coming with the issue of SGBV, maybe sexual gender-based violence, or assault cases like that. But at least now, from July, August, September, when we are oriented on how to manage these cases, at least in a month now we can see about 7, 10 like that.
Ambrose Ongwech ngat malubo ko Dr. Maloy lok me yorokom ipade district ko neno lok me to palotino kimege wajoni kidneno babulu tika balo lok me lwen me yot kom megi koni lok me te kwaro bene tika rwakwie weho lok me yorokom pe worma opore.
Some of the reasons we have a high burden of teenage pregnancy. There are cultures here like attending burial settings. Once somebody is above 80 years, instead of the other morning we'd hear people go to celebrate. And many things happen at that setting. Dances are there, and it is a practice that is taken positively by the tradition here. But we've gone ahead to talk about this on radios and ensuring that maybe we need to take up the modern ways of doing things, and so they may not be part of this. If we could only sustain this, we need to try to have a bit of shift from thinking that way and then maybe abandon such.
Florence Namuwaya, Matie Program Officer, continue ki dul maneno lok me yorokum ilobo Uganda kany. Tutwale ilokum yorokum pabulu mae chukul. Ochuko chwiny bulu macho ni umier. Gubet ka konyo anyiera kare duchu kon guwek lok man me chimu tok. Ka anyiera gitika neno kwe mamegi.
I know the stage that we are in. Sometimes the bodies are demanding this and this, but let's keep focused. with the information that they keep giving us, because I guess our club members here, you are the ambassadors to the rest of the school. So keep passing on that good information that they are giving you. Support the learners. I'm happy about the boys that are also supporting the girls during when they're going through their menstruation. Keep supporting them. And do the boys also get involved in the making of the pads? Okay, that is really beautiful. We appreciate you for taking on those strides, because you have so many of our girls, sometimes they fail to come to class and all that because of that period, which is actually a normal process. So we appreciate you for supporting them.
Neno pa project man tie meneno ni yot kumpa bulu ilu malo dok pire tek pien yana yo bedo guri me lobo man mamiro ni umioro ki ripching meneno ni konyo bulu iyo duchu ikit me yoro komgi pe wan luo TV Johnny Sani uchaga chon ipade district.
Kama pat ke lobo Uganda kachoke makelini mono G20 Social Summit ochake maliet Johannesburg man e lobo South Africa. Inyim yug madit ma ochake nende piru ario kati nende piru adek man yug makeloni mono G20 Summit magoro tala madomo lobo kula nyamla kwa piki tego peloko manyimpa wilobo. Dok mano botim tene machel ilobo padel tol o botim ilobo South Africa. Manenkong report man komet kipete didumane yug meloka nge mochun itika nene kan Kiwanlu television. Ka Johannesburg golo tela madon wilobo kulpe kachoke machil mabutime Africa man G20 Summit in piru ario ni in piru adek medima pawe chile mwakaman dima polu miringe pe kachoke man. Dulme group of 20 onyo G20 kicharo e mwaka lebachel miya mwani pier mwane bongwen ochoko lobe apar mwen madongi don loyo i ketme wilobo kulo kidong dul ario mapigi tego man European Union kidong African Union. Jolo kachoke man wire kon lubu nga mati present medul meno i mwaka duju i mwaka mano butime South Africa dakpetiene machil tika bero e Africa. Lo member me G20 gidi lo malon magichung pe percent piara boru ya beach pa GDP me wilobo kulo ndok ji ario ikomadek pa dano nyo wel dano nga bagiti wilobo ngi AN kilobe piara rio enem. South Africa iti la member chele ken pa dulme G20 dokono pole a kitika ono kwate makupe ki African Union owe ako donyo kone dulman ma AU doniye G20 imwaka alibario piru wa dek. Much me mwakaman pikachoke me G20 tiye chungkachil bero marom kidong wako je marila bednaga makun bene World Bank wani monumanti kachoke madong pere tekloyor deka time ilo maka chedo ipor ki G20 wengti lo madong nyotiru dong la chen loyo dok tiki lonyo manok loyo ke por ki kachoke nyulumemba mokene me G20. Tim ma obodor kachoke mwakaman tingar ma obotelo yengat mo loyo mich me Nobel Prize man Joseph Stiglitz ma wani mpia tekni mon ke neni ke kelo kachil kachoke man pia ni mon kachepe gitimo gin mo pero machie kare man ma popo amatikin wilobo ne bo weko dano bilionario tona dek gibere kech matere dong peo benyanka ket me jokone pe kare malati twal.
I'm confident that the leaders of the G20 who will be participating this weekend will consider issues coming from the social summit very seriously, because these are not issues coming from one or two organizations. You can see we had more than 4,000 delegates here, people coming from not only South Africa but also in the African continent, NGOs globally. So this is a very important voice that should not be ignored, and I'm sure the leaders will not ignore this.
President Donald Trump idwe mano weni mono pe tiket ngan maken maki Amerika wela dit mo obilte kachoke man doko weni mono telo G20 mai karmati ching South Africa ni oberu tuan le witu twal. La jela melobo Argentina man President Javier Milei mabene kupe mataki Trump ben boberu pe kachoke man eno bechwalo minister mega mekop mawoko ma enaye obutelo. Ikachoke marom kimano mene la tela mukene obedo pere ayo bedo president melobo Russia man Vladimir Putin mabende kama obedo pere ikachoke mukene me G20. Kachoke mangete timne Inasric Expo Center mati South Africa dog tiken or choke madang don loyo makayubo NPU kiken i South Africa kunu. Kaberman beneti chokotwele kaberman ke joli yetu komea gike man me World Cup imwaka alibario pa. President Cyril Ramaphosa waeni mono karibet ni mono jema Paul tika time imiti alaga miorbeti ye kai kachoke man owero African Development Bank dwemia biro omoga miyo man limden $1 million 1.1 bot South Africa weko yup kachoke ni eni. Kadong South Africa jolo kachoke man oberu tie kar machel madung G20 kwani waka choke man mapol kar beru katime Global South ma oberu tie piten mapol oberu ye Brazil, India kedong Indonesia. Peloka ng'e ma ochwiny e Walu Television ania Sunday yakumo. Elokom turo Ben Mugisha la fonturo me Good University utiro moko ke Walu Television ni mono turo mameki me mwarni ene mamiorge biri ye man Pepsi University Football League dongi bidok ye be mwara manyen mano binge aworo pati me Muni University mango akipie man dog dower group D dongi lo turo manara keno miro group D uberkilo turo mapole kienen TPM ikin St. Lawrence University Muni University Lea University Good University kidongo Makere University Business School nyomubsi Machek mano gitika chel i group D maneturo me University League kit mala George pa Wanlu TV David Magere kele kwere kombeti en eyop melorange ma ochwin kan
Kadi beti turo dilo madit me Pepsi Inter University League pe mwara turo ali bario ke Piru Beach ali bario Piru Beach eltika meta nyim kono ivut ping mapapari lobo Uganda kama universities mapapati ye inoni team megulu university dong food turo go chung wako tutunu kono mergo dok ki pie meno we mwara manyen ali bario ke Piru Beach el Ben Mugisha la fon turo pa gulu university kono turo moko Lokman bor wan wo TV ni meno gulu university football team dong obi dok chen ituro me PM me Pepsi Inter University League we mwara manyen man kono bino malope gi wako pa Muni University ki team ki group mauno gen geti ye ki St. Lawrence University Lera University Gul University Makere University Business School ki dong en Muni University magen go wako ma group mano dokping ki team achel mokene e kom team beach mauno tiene gen dong gi team angwene kene group D Kongwa win lok pa Ben Mugisha matila fon turo me Gul University kom kitma laka time kede e turo ma bu chake dong we mwaka manyen lok
to kero tirum jay me ko no me ma bion furi ko de dano wende to bar wan ngi guru wan ngwen kan joga ntia bichel so kimero nawo gongu to ko wen to wen gongu ro na rio den wan ya odan kin nun ko no ben numero ko kana ge to den break tie ka break te me no na chere for university game ko be you see you den ya ngi to wen ko du man down to ku no nen no likiape so me ko fu no postpone no furi ya pan futu a chel bare ko to na mare rio no jo ka en to ma de kin ya to ma de wan ja mare rio den no na mo be rom no
so to bu du ma bien de ma di
ma bien ngi ku yi de mare yo wa wa no ne sem sta no me o mag no Mama no me oche board gane board move no ma anyen to nge gere ka nan ga ku twal warga de mo ko warga board gi ma wano kar me wi no ma anyen ana wade training gere every day me ko any report me am bien to piano le yo me cha me wade cha me for isa ka university game te bu me UCU wade European man so no we are training every day
East African Games wote duema tel
apario ni bere UCU
man kontiga bini kar mano dongul university to wa to raciel kama dong mete ne gen mer go to kingi kinti mangwen mudong to wa chiel kama to ma chiel kon lera university gen go mar ma je chengul university go raciel kom tongwen to moti megi gulu city duema pa gono ento mer gen dong go ko to ki group ki team mukene group man inoni Makere University Business School ben go to ki St. Lawrence University kadong to modong tie ikin Makerere University Business School nyo moves kachiel ki Gulu University to ma iwacho botime wedwe mario memwaga manyien uyupo ni Gulu University kontika tote matek tutwal mechiera nyimi turuman pian pe mwaga ngwen kulu University man kono pe karo ki group stage mechiero katuro knockout nyo quarter final kama coach Mugisha Terni Karningo mwaga man omerge kari beti ruame kargo dugu peng tutwal pian ni team achielo awako ma wego kwanyo dano mechiera nyim bebero tek tutwal pian pol kari be kwanyo na machiel ke kom team angwen nyo ka dong team mario team maber tutwal no mer bere ke kwany ma no chances nyo ka kartiel peng tutwal lorange kom turi wan Luo TV David Magere Igulu City.
Kadong megi kolo Uganda tiro awaki ituro me FIFA Under 17 World Cup matika time lobo kata ituro megi mautu michario wa otino tume ku great me penalty Burkina Faso lo iye Uganda kadongeno gekworo round ma para bichel Uganda ke goye gen gola derekom abiti kom turo ma owe quarter final iman ituro ma megi mano meko teke de quarter final man turo mautu machele ko machele ingada ke kapiaro mwene turo mautu me Aspire Zone Pitch 5 Matilo Bokata Raziko Thari kele report ko maduke turmantani ngobolo bo Uganda ngomado botimbo juma futku dongchen en itu me FIFA World Cup me Under 17.
It's another lovely day here for the round of 6.
Kobukoroni wek lob Uganda bet ker karmon me yubere karacho kredo gamo pore wek lok kom tukudong mier bet ginna me ginti macharota kwaro wek nini nino ker kare lob Uganda mier bet ker karmon me tukabe.
Sure, like you say, I think the experience we take from here is very good. Much as we are hurt, we have not won today, but we are proud of ourselves that we presented ourselves very well. And I believe much as it's hurting to lose, but we have lost honorably. So we go with our heads high because I believe we presented ourselves very well in this tournament. Huge experience that we go with back in Uganda. And it's not only for us, but also the people we left home. I believe the younger boys that are playing football, who want to play the under 17, will be inspired by the experience here. And these boys will not stay the same because it's huge experience that we take back home.
We lost, but I think next time we shall do better because those guys played well in the second half, but we lose them in our midfield and our defense, so that's why they managed to win. We were just unlucky, but we got chances. We didn't use them, but next time I think we shall use.
Okay, la waya geke yup melorange mocho initini chia dekania sande ya kumo metekina na One Luo Television for madit botin yup mukanatika bino kombiti chot.